Davison here. I'm a design team member with Scrap Shotz, and I'm here today to show you the goodies that I have been sent to play with this month. This is the February kit for Scrap Shotz, and there was a bit of a delay with getting stuff from the supplier for the Vicki Boutin stuff, but it has arrived and I'm so super excited. This is a lot of the new Wander collection. So this is, I think, the first travel collection that at least I remember from Vicki Boutin, and I already love her stuff, and then travel is my most favorite thing to scrapbook, and so this is just like the planets colliding in a beautiful way. So I will put links below to the actual kit subscription so you can see what is included in the kit, because often Sandy over at Scrap Shotz will send us design team members a few add-ons and a different kind of mix of things to play with, so we're showcasing all the great stuff that is available in either the collection or that matches the collection. So what you see here may not be exactly in the kit, but again, I'll link it below. But either way, it is a total enabler alert because I did peek and it looks really, really fabulous. So here we go. So included is these Vicki Boutin. This is part of the Wander collection as well. And I'm just going to show you the back so I don't have to open up the plastic packaging and subject you to that. So you can see kind of craft base. Craft is totally making a comeback, and then really travel inspire the camera, and then some globe and stuff and kind of that postcard theme. And then of course her classic watercolor pieces included in there. So that should be really fun. Lots of pieces in there to play with. And I do see, I just want to flip this over, that there is some gold foiling as well in some of the pieces. So that's going to be fun. As well as there is another piece here. Again, this is Vicki Boutin, and this is kind of is part of the Wander collection, and you can see there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. And I've got this guy here to play with. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Sorry, I just love this luggage. This should be really, really fun. Really fun. Hilarious to me, some of this, like the noodles and stuff. That's hilarious. So yeah, so that's that. You can see that's a good chunk of stuff in there as well. You can kind of get a feel for the colors by looking at some of this, and then there's the size of the phrases. So a good size. I think those are going to be great. Great for titling. As well, there is also this guy, and I believe that these may have each come with a little package as well that has probably been designated to another design team member. So this is one where there is both of the packages. So again, we kind of get a mix to showcase it based on kind of what Sandy thinks we would love playing with and all that good stuff. So what you see here is just showcasing the product versus exactly what's in the kit. So anyway, here is, again, Vicki Boutin. This is art for everyone. This includes champagne gold foil pieces. So very, very cool. And there's a lot in here. There's two of these guys again. And I'm just going to show you that backside. Lots of cool vacation stuff. I cannot wait to use this cityscape. Oh my gosh, there's one that says heck yes. Oh yeah, I'm going to be using that. Very cool. So I'm really excited about that. And you can see just a bit of the gold foiling in there. But as I use the product, I'll make sure to point that out when I post those up. There's also this paperwork printed chipboard letter sticker. So this looks like there is a newsprint in the background, and then I don't know what you'd call that, like a negative stamp, like an open stamp. Very cool, and that includes numbers as well as the uppercase letters. Love those. And they are chipboard, but not too much dimension. Like they give you a good amount of texture, but they're not too much dimension. So those would work really well in a traveler's notebook. This is called Let's Wanders. This is part of the collection, and you can see that cityscape that I'm so cannot wait to use. Lots of little phrases, perfect, and like classic Vicki Boutin style. There's all kinds of little things to sort of fill in those spaces. Love it. And this butterfly actually has like a map as its texture or color or whatever you want to call it. And then there's a backside. So lots and lots in this product. Airplane floral, lots, again, more sayings, the story of today. Love that. Very, very cool. Local attractions. Love the thumbtacks. That's hilarious. Very travel. This looks really good. And again, we're seeing that craft paper resurgence again. So that's very exciting. This is the art for everyone. And again, this is kind of her premium paper, part of that Wander piece. And I'll just go through here as well. Oh, I should have actually maybe opened this up beforehand. See if I can get this open without too much fanfare. I try not to really go through it too much before, just to kind of prep it for my table so that you guys get sort of my first reaction, because I think that's part of the fun. So here we go. So let's show this off. And I'm thinking there's two of each, but we'll go through because usually it's like half and half. So there's that nice floral piece. Maybe I'll pick this up so it's closer. Great floral piece with quite a bit of distressing in there, which is great. And all of her branding strips are different. I find those really fun to play with. Love this. Absolutely love that. Something right in here. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Love these colors. Not quite primary colors, sort of a muted primary. Oh, and there's a B-side, sorry. Make sure to show you that too. And that's like water splooches. And then these are like sunglasses. That would be good for a beach page. Great waves. Wow, those are good. Oh, those waves are fun. Those would be fun to actually fussy cut and kind of layer up again, hey? And then this is little Polaroid shots. Some of them are real photos and some are sayings. Very cool. That's neat. Like somebody had put a cup on there. And it looks like a lot of these sort of match the background papers that we've already flipped through. And then there's this crosshatch. Love that. That's a great teal color. Oh, look at this page. Ooh. It just says hello, hello over and over again like a big Polaroid. That is magic. Oh, okay, I'm going to have to try not to hoard that one. I like it so much. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I can't wait to use it. Because you can't go wrong with pink animal print. Love it. That's really fun. I could have a lot of fun with that actually. And then these watercolor splooches here in that, oh, just my favorite teal. It's the one that she throws in her collections. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. That is so fantastic. Ooh, I've got some pictures of Porto, Portugal that all the buildings are like multicolored. That would look so good on there. And then this guy, again, that kind of craft paper in the background and then paint stripes of the colors from the collection. Love that. Would look really cool sideways as well. Good. Then we've got some, not fireworks really, but that's kind of what it reminds me of, but kind of paint florals, that same kind of idea of paintbrush. And then some palm fronds there, or botanicals, which I think you could fussy if you wanted to. That would be fun for like a hot vacation. And then really matching complementary paper in these multi-stripes here. Very cool. And then some paper airplanes, because why wouldn't you? Sightseeing, here we go. Love this. Lots of little sayings within those paper airplanes. Very neat. And then I almost should have pulled these out of here and make it easier to show. This, oh, sorry, I just hit the camera with my head. This is like postage envelopes and such. Very fun. That'd be neat to fussy cut those and make like a pile, or even cut some out and do some sequin shakers behind, or some peekaboos. And then look at this, stars. I love this. Oh, that's going to be fun. You could color block that. You could, oh, that one's going to be really good. Oh my gosh. All right, focus. Oh, another good one. What's with me and the rainbows today? So this is like dots. Rainbow goes from blue to pink. Again, in that sort of distressed look. Love it. And then some cut aparts. Looks like some of these are similar to what might be in the die cuts, like that match, you know, like the little hamburger and stuff in the camera. Very, very cool. This is like an orange scallop. Goes from darker to light. So again, that classic distress. And then some bigger cut aparts. This is really cool. I love the guest check. What a great spot to journal. That'll be fun. Or like something like this. Very cool. Oh yes, because everyone needs a good map, a city map. That's great. That looks, oh, I've got some good pictures for that already. Some of my Scotland stuff when we're wandering around would be really fun in that one. Really good. And then this is a repeat of all the papers again. So you do get 2 of every single paper in the kit. Or in the paper pad, sorry. So that is me. That is what I will be playing with. I cannot wait to get going. Oh my gosh, I'm already thinking of photos and stories I want to tell that I get to play with this month, and that is from Scrap Shotz. I will be sure to share what I create on my own social media, as well as through the Scrap Shotz social media and their blog. So that should be really good and exciting to show you what I've got. I know at least one other design team member gets to play with this as well this month, so it'll be very fun to see our takes on the same product. Yeah. With that, I hope you're having a fabulous February, and I look forward to sharing my projects with you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.